Good morning, beautiful souls. Good morning, everyone. How is everyone doing this morning? Happy Saturday, guys. It's 7 a.m. hour. Hope everyone is doing well. You heard me on the other side, guys. Congrats. We have life this morning. Let's jump right on into it. Shout out to the beautiful souls. KC, I am. Charlene down there in Georgia. I appreciate you ladies so much. Thank you for subscribing to me. Mrs. KC, I am. Congrats on that 1,000. I know you will be reaching it soon. You're doing some good work. Keep up the good work. Sending all strength your way. Mrs. Charlene, GA with 3838. Thanks for letting me know that's where you reside in Georgia. We're going to get some hits. But right now, I got some numbers that you can play in all states. All right. You can leave something in the comment if you feel like you want to ask any questions about anything. All right, let's get ready to rock and roll. Once again, guys, you can play these numbers in all states that I'm getting ready to call out. Saturday, FYI 967. You cannot go wrong. This is a date, some number, 967. Somebody's state will have this number right here. Just make sure you keep it in. Again, guys, somebody say something. Yes, he said it's a Saturday number. And he also said he hit on one Saturday. He always say that. This guy talks too much. We're going to rock and roll. DC was 710 yesterday. I'm going to go ahead and line it up at 710 or 701. I'm not sure which way it came out, but I want to say something for DC. I wrote this down. It says this number 0 right here. When you see the 0, bring in all of these pairs. I believe DC was 3609 yesterday, simply because that 0 showed up, guys. This is coming from a lot of studying, guys, and that's all I've been doing lately, okay? So whenever you see a 0 on your state, go ahead and run 3600, 3601, etc., etc. You shall get your win, all right? Trust the process. We're going to get on right along with it. Again, to the new beautiful souls who joined, if the lights go off, I'm in the gym right now, and it's motion sensor lights, okay? So we're going to go off DC, 710 last night, guys. This should be a hit. It should be a small hit as well. You can run these numbers in all states. Here is 710, right here, 710. Let's try to stay on this line right here today. 650 galore, 506, 650. You got 650 right here. You got 560 right here. So go ahead and write 560 down in DC today. 560, you always know if you get this pair right here, 560, 56, it's going to lead you to a 37. All right, we already been through that. Everybody know what 337 does when you see a 56 pair. Everybody know that. All right, this trend has been going on in all states. So we have 710 right here. Can we just run this up? Let's run it all the way up the ladder, guys. I got a little time. I got my pre-workout juice up in me. There's the 337 right here. So let's just stay in this line then, guys. Let's stay right up in here. All right, 337, you have 535. Always like the L shape. You have 753. There's that 357. Somebody just had that, right? So let's go ahead all the way up here. You have 911, 287, 076. There's that 1076 again from last night. Yesterday, early in the morning, I might have mentioned 882. It came out in VA. You can play these numbers in all states. Maryland, Sister Garrison, do not give up. Those 222s are coming. I didn't forget them. Like I said, I stand silent on every number that I call out. Make sure you keep those 222s in. I want to say South Carolina just had them, all right? 2 plus 2, that's 6. You might get a 501 first, but I think Maryland already ran all of that, so please buckle down. FYI, Maryland, a triple is coming, and also be on the lookout for a quad alert. Thank you, Mrs. Charlene, for letting me know. I think you said 678, so be aware for a quad in your state. All right, so we're going to stay here. We're going to go all the way up this ladder, 351, 287. How many times do you constantly see 287? You see 287 here. You see 287 there. Write 287 down in your state if you want to play it, guys. I'm going to try to give you just a few numbers to play today. 911 up here. 911 right there. So pretty much that's why I say I line this up every day. So once you get to seeing the numbers, you'll be familiar. So it seems like if you're seeing 911 all the time, 287 is right over top of it. Go ahead and do your research and let me know. Leave something in the comments saying that you know you are Noticing that pattern also. There's 710 again, all the way up this ladder. There's 882. Virginia, you might can die right on in because you just had this. There's 710, there's 882 right over top of it. 560 all the way up the ladder, guys. So let's get ready to rock and roll. Line you up at 710. This should be an easy one for DC today. This should be easy. Well, if it's easy, sir, why don't you put all the money you have on a number and let us know how easy it is. One day I'm going to take that leap of faith, guys. 337 once again, so write that down in DC. 337. You can play these numbers in all states. There's 730. 730 is always a Saturday number, guys. Seems to come out on a Saturday sometime. It's a whole total of 10 right there. FYI, if you had 250, no, I think if you had 254, you might want to watch 730. There it is, slanted, 967. Go ahead and play that today. Play this number in all states, guys, 967. Make sure you play it. Okay, 841. 841 is a good number in DC today, simply because a 1 was showed yesterday. I always mention, you know, in the last past week, if you see a 1, a 7 should be coming behind it. If you see a 1, a 4, 8 should be coming behind it. So go ahead and super circle 841. That might come out in DC today, guys. You never know. You see 841 right there. You have 663. Do you want to take one of these 6s and use it as a 1? You want to go 163, or you just want to go 663? The choice is yours, guys. This looks like a winning day today in DC, guys. You have 757. All right. Okay. 757. Check out this 550 once again, guys. Check it out, 550. You might can get triple fives out of that. You know that 0 can be a 7, so you might be looking at 775. So 775 might be a good number also for DC. Go ahead and go 775. All right, 943 is over there. 946 once again. You have 964 once again, guys. So go ahead and write 964 down. All right, this is DC, but you can play it in all states once again, guys. Okay. All right, so that should be it, guys. That looks good. Here's a little traffic up here. 8. 3s can be 8s. 8, 8, 8. That's a sign of 4 8s in DC. Could it happen? It might can happen. What you think, Miss Charlene? You just had 83 in Georgia. That's the same number. So, all right. Now let's flip this around a little bit. You could take this 2 ways. Let's line it up here. Now we at 710 again. So the numbers didn't really change. Still had the same numbers. You still had 730. So yeah, I will go ahead and play 730 heavy today in DC. Look, guys, 073. All right, 370. All right, even though they're not touching, they're not really touching. I like it when they are touching. So 703, you had to like skip over. All right, that 8 can be a 3. So that's 730 all the way up here. This is all the way 730, guys. This 0 can be, this 5 can be a 0. This 2 can be a 7, so it's a lot of 730s going on. So let's go ahead and circle 730 in DC, guys. That's going to be the title. All right, if you want to just add this to your playlist in DC, because I named so many titles, so I might just forget. So just in case you want to go back and rewind this, one of these numbers should touch today. 730, all states, 967, all states. Peace out, guys. Be safe in whatever you do. Much love. I'm gone.